We want to create this JETS coalition, and I'm very positive with it. We spoke about it, and I see that in the closest time you will hear some, I think, very important decisions, but we have to work a little bit more on it.
We are going to be a key part of the coalition of countries that provides that support to Volodymyr and Ukraine. Now, it is not a straightforward thing, as Volodymyr and I have been discussing, to build up that fighter combat aircraft capability. It's not just the provision of planes, it's also the training of pilots and all the logistics that go alongside that. Now, the UK can play a big part of that. One thing we will be doing, starting actually relatively soon, is training of Ukrainian pilots, and that's something that we've discussed today. We're ready to implement those plans in relatively short order, which will mean that we're training Ukrainian citizens to become absolutely combat-ready aircraft pilots, and particularly whether it comes to NATO tactics as well, because that's an important part of the long-term relationship between our countries.
Гармата, постріл!
Помір 1481.
За останній період ми і стримуємо противника, і допомагаємо нашій піхоті йти в наступ. В общем-то, ворог агресивний. І наступає, ми не даємо йому наступати, але атаки є,